Absolutely. Here's a full video script tailored for your topic. I tried making $800 in 4 hours with Google Maps to see if it works, crafted to grab attention, keep the audience hooked, and deliver engaging, simple content. I'll start with a hook, then move into the main script, and finally suggest SEO-friendly titles that can help your video perform better on YouTube. What if I told you there's a way to make money using nothing but Google Maps ... and your phone? Today, I'm putting a viral side hustle to the test, trying to make $800 in just 4 hours. Can it really be done? Or is this just another internet myth? Let's find out. So I came across this side hustle online. People claiming you can make hundreds of dollars just by using Google Maps. Sounds crazy, right? But here's how it supposedly works ... The idea is simple. Find local businesses on Google Maps that don't have a website or have a bad one, then offer to help them build one or refer them to someone who can and get paid for it. I gave myself one rule. I have 4 hours to try this, and I'm aiming for $800. Let's see how far I can go. 2. Game plan how this works. Here's how I'm going to do it. Step 1. Search for businesses like barber shops, plumbers, or cafes in smaller towns on Google Maps. Step 2. Check their listings. No website, outdated photos, poor reviews. That's an opportunity. Step 3. Reach out, either through email, their phone number, or even Facebook. I'll offer help or pitch a simple website or service using templates or freelancers I already know. Bonus, if they don't want a website, I'll ask if they want a Google Business Profile update or better reviews. There are even agencies out there that'll pay you $50, $100 just for a hot lead. So I could technically earn even without building anything myself. Scene 3. The hunt. Finding leads. Screen recording. You searching for local businesses in small towns. I started with small towns, less competition, and businesses are often less tech savvy. In just 20 minutes, I found 12 businesses without websites. Okay, I'm calling and emailing them now. Let's see who replies. Scene 4. The results. What happened? After 4 hours of calling, messaging, and sending emails ... Here's what happened. 3 businesses were interested and wanted more info. One person agreed to pay $300 for a simple website build. I passed the leads to an agency I found on Fiverr and got paid $100 each. One business said no ... but asked about social media help. Total made $500 confirmed, with a potential $300 if one of the other leads converts. Scene 5. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? Did I hit $800? Almost. But more importantly, this method actually works. And I started with $0, just my laptop and Google Maps. If you're willing to learn, hustle, and be a little creative, there's real money to be made here. Just remember, results take effort, and this isn't a get-rich-quick trick. 6. Outro and CTA. If you want me to do a part 2, maybe scaling this to $1, 0, or trying this in a big city, drop a comment and hit that like button. And if you want a free template to message these businesses, I've linked one in the description below. End screen. Call to subscribe plus more side hustle videos. I tried making $800 in 4 hours using Google Maps. Does this really work?